Step one of every project is get the raw materials. Hey, we're out in the shop, CNC machine. Got a piece of oak set up on the machine here. Gonna cut out some letters. It's gonna be a pretty cool sign. This is gonna be my first raised sign with it's gonna have LEDs behind it, and then the LEDs will glow out. It'll look pretty cool when it's done. It's Firepiece letters.
Doing that little lip just to make it double thick right there. Almost used up all my clamps. So I got a cold. I lost my voice. So I'm just gonna whisper. So this is the back. The other side is where the letters are gonna be raised off of the white surface. So from the wall, it'll look like these 2 layers thick. So it'll look extra thick, when really it's just 1 layer thick. And I'm gonna have this taller piece of wood that, if you look like that, so this whole thing will be sitting off the wall like 1/2 inch. Just got some pieces cut up on the miter saw here. It's 45. Just gonna make this little box in behind. It will house, this is the control box for the LEDs. So as you can see, that fits in there. And there's enough clearance that that'll stay hidden. That's gonna be a cool project. So there we are, we're ready for clear. We just got shadow box on the back manufactured. I actually sent this rectangle assembly through the planer a couple times on either side, just to take a skiff, just to make sure that it's perfectly flat. And then this is kind of your distance. My ring won't go underneath there. That's how high it's gonna sit off the wall. Paint it white today. Just painted the rocket ship the green, and we have the raised letters stained with a darker stain. And we have the LEDs underneath. I got them covered with tape. And when this is all done, the sign is gonna explode. Really crisp white sign.